Let's learn how to fix any Instagram bug. So, if you are on Instagram and you are experiencing problems with the app or have a bug that is causing you frustration, then follow this tutorial to learn how to fix it. So, the first step is to make sure that the bug or problem with the app is related to Instagram itself or with the app. You need to open the web browser on your phone and go to Google. Then you need to type "is Instagram down?" and this will give you some search results. And you need to click on the website that's called Down Detector. So, what we want to check is if there is some problem on the Instagram servers. And that's what may be causing the bug and cause your app to not function properly. So, if you see a big spike in the current time, then you may want to wait a couple of hours until Instagram resolves the problem it has around its servers and the app. But if this isn't what's causing the problem, then we need to offload the app. So open the settings and then go to General, then iPhone Storage and find Instagram in here. I'm going to click on Offload right here and then click on Reinstall. This will give the app a fresh new install and it will download the latest version of the app. This will probably fix any bugs or problems that you have with Instagram on your device. If this video was helpful for you, then leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this in the future.